Welcome to our channel. If you want to update the software on your Apple Watch to access new features and security improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions for a successful update. Step 1. Make sure your Apple Watch is charged to at least 50% battery before starting the update. Place it on the charger and keep it connected throughout the update process. Step 2. Ensure your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi. Updates cannot be downloaded over cellular connections, so a Wi-Fi connection is required for both your watch and paired iPhone. Step 3. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. This is the app with the icon showing an Apple Watch and is used to manage all your watch settings. Step 4. In the Watch app, tap General and then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check Apple's servers for available updates for your Apple Watch. Step 5. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. You'll see information about what's included in the update and how large the download file is. Step 6. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted to authorize the download and installation. This security measure ensures only you can update your devices. Step 7. Wait for the update to download to your iPhone first, then transfer and install on your Apple Watch. Keep your watch on the charger and near your iPhone during this process. Step 8. The update process typically takes 30 to 60 minutes. Your Apple Watch will restart automatically when the installation is complete. Verify the update by checking Settings, General, About on your watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.